you looking at? Ah-chin, don't bother. I want to see too! I want to see too! Sis! Oh, Ah-chin, leave it. I'm checking if the supermarket across the street is open. I want to buy lots of candy. You're buying candy too? You already have so much candy, you're still buying? Oh, sis! Someone opened your fridge. What? Why is my fridge door open? Did you open it? Ah-chin, it wasn't me. Sis, not you. Why do I hear a baby crying? Is that baby stealing my candy? Oh no, I need to check. My Kuromi pinwheel candy. And my shark candy. And Paw Patrol cheese sticks. My Peppa Pig surprise egg. Ultraman ring candy. And my sword candy. Oink, 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 oink. And a stinky foot candy. Hey, Foot's here. Come out now. Froggy, did you steal my candy? I didn't steal your candy. Sis, I'm home alone. I'm scared. Scared alone? So you came to my home. Then go back. I don't want to. Call my mom to get me. Oh, all right. I'll call your mom. First, sit in your car. Sit tight. Call your mom. Tell her to pick you up. Hey, is this the baby's mom? The baby is with me. He's scared to go home alone. Come pick her up quickly. I understand. I'll come get her right away. Okay, wait here for a bit. Your mom will come get you soon. Let me have a candy. Now eat this Peppa Pig surprise egg. Open it. Wow, let's see what's inside. Oh, there's a sticker. Is this Chase? Look. Wow, a whistle. Awesome. And a small candy. This candy is too small. So tasty, sour and sweet. Chase wants some too. Then I'll give you a foot gummy. Yay, you open it. Wow, there are 2 little white gummies for you. Another one? Is it tasty? Super yummy. Eat this healthy one. Oh, just, you can play with it. This is green apple flavor. Now eat this shark candy. Good night. So delicious. These are chocolate beans. Joanne's mom is knocking. She's here to get the baby. Bye-bye.